What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and you know what time it is today. Another day, another swing trade. So today I'm going to be talking about two stocks, Snapchat and Canopy. So I already did a swing trade with Snapchat last Friday, and pretty much as soon as I sold my Snapchat shares, the share prices went down. Sometimes when you follow these patterns, you get lucky and they continue to repeat. So pretty much as soon as I saw Snapchat dropping down, I put a limit order and I bought back all my shares. I think it was either exactly the same price or close to it. And this morning, Snapchat went up all the way up to $11. I saw it go up to $11.02. I think it went up a little higher, but I put a limit order on it for $11, and you're gonna see the print screen right here where I made some pretty decent profits. So I ended up selling 450 of my Snapchat shares at $11 on the dot. I put a limit order, so here's a print screen of me putting that limit order, and eventually it went up above $11. So I am still sitting on 530 shares. Unfortunately, Snapchat prices have gone down. If they do go back down even more, I will be buying back the shares I just sold off. So if Snapchat goes below $10.60, I will be buying back into Snapchat. And another company I have is Canopy Growth, ticker symbol WEED, W-E-E-D. So unfortunately, the Canadian markets aren't open today because it's Victoria Day. But on Friday, I noticed Canopy Growth was going on a nice bull run. So I was sitting on 513 shares of Canopy Growth. That's about $18,391 worth of shares. I ended up selling a little bit more than half. I ended up selling 290 of my shares. At that time, I was up 1.27% on Canopy Growth. So I had about $231 worth of gains on Canopy Growth. And I ended up selling a little bit more than half. Hopefully, marijuana becomes legal on July 1st. So I want to have a lot of shares and a lot of money invested into marijuana stocks. That way I'm prepared for legalization, and I'm hoping I can see up to 20% gains or more. If you guys think that's impossible, I've seen more than 40% gains with marijuana stocks before. I don't know if you've watched one of my very first videos where I made $6,500 in one day swing trading Canopy and Aurora stocks. So yeah, I'll try to keep you guys updated on my Canopy stocks, and we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. Also, I want to let you guys know that companies that are also on my watch list for potential swing trades / day trades, one of them is Nintendo, ticker symbol NTDOY. I actually just purchased some Nintendo shares. I'm gonna make another video on that possibly tomorrow or Wednesday. I really want to see how this company does. I am sitting on very small gains right now, so I'm not going to show you guys yet. And another one is Supreme Cannabis, ticker symbol SPRWF. You guys might start noticing me doing more swing trades with marijuana companies, especially because we're starting to creep up on July 1st, and I've been waiting for this date for a very long time because legalization of marijuana is going to be very big and have very high expectations. It might be a speculation, but we'll see how that goes. Don't invest in a company simply because I'm doing it. Do your homework, guys. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoy this beautiful day. I'm gonna try to, once I can get off my computer and stop editing this video and get off YouTube, get off everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for, man? Smash the subscribe button. Bye-bye.